Monday, 25th of November, and we make a quick turn at the height. After camping at Polentswa, we stayed the night at Nossob before embarking on an epic 4 days, 3 nights of 4x4 driving along a narrow track through the dunes. Yesterday, we were the first to arrive. Second were a couple from France. The others, a couple from Berlin and a son and dad from Cape Town, arrived in the morning. Our guide, Thijs stopped by to say a quick hello. The morning briefing proves to be a regular start to the day's program. Thijs informed us about the route and safety. Lastly, we are all given radios so we can communicate while driving. Every day the car switches positions, with the front vehicle moving to the back. This way, everyone gets to drive both at the front and back. In practice, the order doesn't matter. Everyone can see everything, and there is plenty of intense 4x4 driving. We started as the first vehicle behind Thijs for the day. Some lions at Kibikiquat. There were also some lions at Kwang Waterhole. They share his knowledge of the usage of the 3 thorn bushes. Thijs mentioned that the eland at Khousand is the biggest he ever saw in the park. We drove approximately 70 kilometers north of Nossob along the dry riverbed where we catch the beginning of the trail. Then a lunch break between the dunes. As soon as we turned onto the 2-track road and head south, we sensed that we are now driving in a place where no one else will pass for the next 220 kilometers. In odd-numbered months, the route is driven from north to south, while in even-numbered months, it's the opposite. The desert views and dunes are breathtaking in every direction. Along the way, we make discussion stops where Tace tells us about the nature and wildlife of the Kalahari Desert. It's incredible fascinating to hear his stories, which reflect his deep knowledge and experience. After several hours of driving, we reach our first camp, SANParks, which is sheltered by low dunes and has lovely shaded trees. Everyone chooses a spot to park and set up. In the center, there are a concrete slab designed for a braai. Everyone braai at the same spot, and it creates a cozy atmosphere. About 50 meters away, there's an enclosure with a long drop toilet. What a spectacular sunset!